So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Beep, beep. Hey, it's me, Meekah. And today I'm at Dig It in Torrance, California. They have so many cool construction toys here, like excavators and conveyor belts. Oh, I'm going to pretend to be a construction worker. But first things first, safety first. I'll put on my hat and my safety vest. Will you pretend to be a construction worker with me? Great, come on. I'm at my first construction vehicle. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you some hints. It has 2 arms and a bucket. That's right. It's a front loader. Check it out. Okay. Let's see how it works. Oh, start engine. Start. Wow. Let's honk the horn. Honk, honk, honk. Excuse me, moving dirt here. Oh, I have to put it in drive. Now reverse. Backing up. Pardon me. Oh, gotta turn on my lights. And check out these pedals. Whoa, this is so cool. Okay, let's park. That was awesome. Ooh, and look at these big tires. Black and yellow. One of my favorite colors. Oh, let's see what this does. Spin, spin, spin. Whoa! So cool! We can roll it around. This is a big circle. Easier for rolling. And these are called treads. They help the wheel get traction. And check this out over here. Wow! It's like a construction site. And there are 3 construction vehicles. Red, green, and blue. Oh, and it's a puzzle. The goal is to get each car to its site. This one is for the blue car. Okay, let's see if we can get it over. Da, da, da. Best way to get there. Excuse me, Red. Da, da, da. Oh, I have to go up there. Excuse me, Red. You go down there. Da, da, da. We made it! Okay, let's try for Red. Da, da, da. Which way will we go? Huh, no, that's not the right way. Da, da, da. We made it! Okay, one more vehicle to go. Da, 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 da. Wow! We did it! We matched all the vehicles. That was so awesome. Oh, check it out. I see something cool over there. Let's go. Whoa, check out this building. It's pretty tall. Oh, and it has a lot of great shapes. Do you know what this shape is? That's right, a triangle. And this shape? Circle. Great job. Put this triangle on top. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Hey, let's use this pipe wrench to make sure everything is tight. Nice and tight. Great! I have another wrench in my jam pack. This one's called a crescent wrench because of the shape on top. It kind of looks like a moon sky. Okay, let's take our tools and see what needs fixing over here. Whoa! Check out these big blue buildings behind me. Woo! So tall. Hey, let's make an M together. Oh, and look! I have the perfect shape for that. Don't they look like rainbow arches? Yeah. Okay. Oh, awesome! Now I have a second rainbow arch. Wow! An M for Meekah. Job well done. Okay, our project is constructed and finished. On to the next one. We made it to the cement truck. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Wow. Oh. Whoa. Hey, this looks like a hamster wheel. That's a wheel that little hamsters and other animals use to run around and get their exercise in. But in construction, this wheel is used to mix cement. It turns it around and around and around, mixing it all together. Should we try it? Should we be cement that gets mixed and mixed and mixed together? Yeah, let's give it a try. That made me a little dizzy. Whoa. Spin, spin, spin like a cement truck. Spin, spin, spin like a cement truck. I saw a lot more cool things to do here while I was spinning. Come on, let's go learn more about construction vehicles. Beep, beep, beep. We made it to our next construction vehicle. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you some clues. It has an arm and a boom and a bucket. That's right! It's an excavator. Excavators are used to dig things up. Sometimes it's dirt, but this excavator digs up balls. Okay, we have to stay out of the construction zone, okay? Oh, here it goes. Yay! Awesome. Let's try it again. We dug up a lot. Our job here is done. Okay, let's go. Look, it's a conveyor belt. A conveyor belt helps construction workers move things from one spot to another so that they don't have to carry them. Oh, great. Oh, and look, check it out. Look at all these bricks. They're rectangular. See the shape? And do you know this color? Yeah, brown. Oh, and there's another shape too. Can you see it? Right, circles. Let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3. Great job. This kinda reminds me of chocolate. Let's pretend that these are chocolate pieces and we want to move them way up there. Come on, let's check it out. Okay, let's put them on the conveyor belt. Great. Ready, little chocolates? Turn, turn, turn. Whoa! Wow! I have to keep turning, Whoa, let's get them all the way to the top. There they go! Yeah! Okay, now we're at the top. At the bottom, we put the chocolate bricks onto the conveyor belt and we turn the wheel, until they went all the way to the top. And look, this is where they landed. More bricks are coming. Check it out. Whoa. That is so cool. Okay, now I'm ready to go down the slide. I'll see you at the bottom. Woo! Woo! Yeah! That was so much fun. Whoa! What's this? Kinda looks like a bucket. Oh, check it out. When I pull this one down, that one goes higher. Oh, it's a pulley system. It helps get things from one place to another, just like a conveyor belt does. Maybe I can send my friends some lunch at the top. But since I don't have lunch, let's see what I have in my jam pack. Oh, look, a little construction vehicle. Let's put it in the bucket and send it up. Ready? Here you go. Whoa! So cool! Let's put something in this bucket too. Let's see what I have in my jam pack. A tiger! Are you ready? Ready? In you go! Have fun! Woo! Wow! Now the tiger is going up high. And now it's coming down low. Now it's going up high. And look, our construction vehicle is on the other side. Wow, being a construction worker is a lot of fun. Okay, let's drive away. Wow, a tractor race. Since I'm all done with my construction work, let's go on a tractor ride. Whoa, 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 in my big tractor. Go, 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 in my big tractor. Beep, beep, backing it up. Vroom. Whoa, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for being a construction worker with me today. We rode a big front loader and we pretended to be cement, mixing around in a cement mixer. Then we used the little excavator to dig up a ball pit. Whoa, we did a lot today. Now it's time to hang up my vest and roll on out of here. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Can you spell my name with me? M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about.